चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Let's go ahead to the big story we're tracking. Former Karnataka CM B.S. Yediyurappa is set to appear before the Crime Investigation Department today as part of an ongoing investigation into the Pocso protection of children from sexual offences case. This appearance comes as directed by the High Court, which has granted Yediyurappa relief by ordering a stay on his arrest and detention. Yediyurappa will meet with the CID investigation officer M.J. Prithvi, who will lead the interrogation. The CID has recently received a forensic science lab report of a video shot on a mobile phone, which is central to the investigation. The interrogation will focus on the voice sample report as well as alleged attempts by Yediyurappa to influence the witnesses. I want to go across to my colleague Prajwal, joining us live right now on the story. Prajwal, today is the day where Yediyurappa is going to appear before the CID for inquiring in connection with a case filed against him under the Pocso Act following his return to Bengaluru. What will happen? Remember that Yediyurappa was in Delhi for a pre-scheduled event. He is going to be back in Bengaluru now. What's the next development in this story, Prajwal?
At this point of time, the CID has already received information as well as FSL reports from a lab in Gujarat as well, after a deleted video from a half-burnt phone was retrieved as well, and it was also sent to yet another FSL lab out here in Madiwala in Bengaluru to match the voice samples as well, because on the 12th of April when B.S. Yediyurappa appeared before the CID, there was also a voice sample of B.S. Yediyurappa which was collected over here to match this along with the video which has been obtained as well. So therefore he will be questioned mainly about the findings of the FSL report, and on the basis of that the CID will be questioning him, which will be led by investigation officer Prithvi in this particular case. Not only that, there are also three other allegations. First and foremost, why did he not appear before the investigation authorities on the 12th of June? This will also be asked despite the fact that C.V. Nagesh, who was the defense counsel for B.S. Yediyurappa, had gone on to argue that he had prior commitments. Secondly, the CID will also be questioning whether he tried to influence the witnesses as he was in a position of power, and also did he try to bribe the complainant as well as the victim in this particular case too. So we will need to see as to what will be the sort of interrogation that will be conducted, but under no clause or under no such events which occur during the course of the investigation can the CID either arrest or detain B.S. Yediyurappa until the next hearing and the outcome of it too. So at least in that terms he has some sort of relief at this point of time, Shivangi, but we will need to see what will be the nature and the course of the investigations that will ensure once B.S. Yediyurappa appears before the CID team.